Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Amanda and I work for the County of San Diego. Due to the current climate of COVID-19, there are orders to stay at home and shelter in place. So today I'm going to walk you through some great resources like Amazon Fresh to help you get your groceries delivered right to your door. Many of you may be already familiar with Amazon services, but today I'm going to look specifically at their grocery delivery service, Amazon Fresh.
Before we get going, I want to remind you that you can pause or rewind the video at any time if you want to follow along on your own device. Most of our tutorial videos focus solely on the mobile application platform, but today I'm going to show you how to order from your computer. It looks similar on the Amazon app for those of you working from your phone. The first thing you will do is open your internet browser and type in fresh.amazon.com. If you are using your phone, you can download the Amazon app on your phone or tablet. For Android, tap the Google Play icon, which looks like this. For Apple, tap the App Store icon, which looks like this. Once there, type Amazon into the search bar and tap Search, or the magnifying glass. The app may even populate automatically. Be sure it looks like this icon. Next, tap Install. Just as a reminder, this video was created in December of 2020, and by the time you see this, things may look different as technology changes frequently.
Once your browser loads the storefront, your screen will look something like this. If you don't have an Amazon Fresh account activated, you'll see the Sign in to get started screen. Let's go to Sign in. If you have an Amazon account already, enter your email here. If you do not, then you will want to create an account here. Go ahead and click it, and then enter your name, your email address, and then pick a password. You will need to re-enter the password you chose earlier, and then click Create Amazon Account.
Amazon Fresh is a grocery delivery and pickup service in select cities. In order to use Fresh, you will need an Amazon Prime membership. The membership is $119 per year or $12.99 per month. Students are eligible for a reduced rate, and SNAP EBT recipients can access groceries without a membership. With high demand, Amazon has at times required folks to request an invitation to shop Amazon Fresh. Mine took about a month to get approved during the peak of the pandemic. There is free 2-hour delivery for orders of $35 or more before taxes, and your shopping cart will help you keep a running total so you don't lose track. Let's take a look at your main page. The first thing that stands out is this Shop All Deals and Coupons button that allows you to look at what deals and coupons I have on sale right now. The next is the main aisles and categories that you can shop. And then when you see something that you want to purchase, you click the Add to Cart button, which is a little yellow box there. Once something is already added to your cart, you'll see a little gray box that tells you how many are currently in your cart.
Once you're in the website, shopping is just like going to the store, with products organized by the aisles you're used to, from fruits and vegetables to snacks and party staples. When we click Fresh Produce, you'll have an option to drill down on fresh vegetables, and then maybe leafy greens and cabbage.
Once you've selected the category, you can refine your search further, for example, by average customer review, price, or specialty like vegan or organic. If you know what you want specifically, you can type it into the search bar to find the specific item. For example, here I'm going to go up to the bar, type in brown rice, and click enter. I'm going to scroll up and down until I see the brown rice that I'm looking for. How about this one in the middle, the Texmati rice? If I click this yellow add to cart button, it'll add it in, And then I'm at $37.66, which reaches my planned $35 or more for free shipping. Okay, I've added my brown rice and I'm ready to check out. I'm going to check that top right corner, notice that I have more than $35 and click the cart. Once I click the cart, I'm going to check out the fresh cart. And then it'll ask you if you want to complete your cart with other items before you check out. I'm going to add a lemon. And then I'm going to click continue. Once you've clicked continue, it'll ask you to schedule your order. It'll confirm your delivery address. I've blocked mine out here, but you'll see your delivery address. It'll ask you to select a day. I'm going to pick tomorrow, January 1st, 2021, and then select a time that I want it delivered. I'm going to be home between 11 and 1 p.m., and it's free for that delivery time frame. Now I have to pay for my groceries. Your credit and debit cards that you've used for previous Amazon purchases will show up here. I've blocked mine out for privacy. Select the credit or debit card that you would like to use and click continue. All right, you're confirming your order at this point. You want to review all of the items that you've put in your cart to be delivered. Check to be sure that the delivery address is correct and the payment method that you want to use is selected. You can add special delivery instructions like a gate code or it's around the corner or anything else that somebody needs to know to get to your doorstep. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks good, click that place your order button on the top right and it'll be on its way. Back on the payment method screen, we saw an option for EBT card information. If you're not using a credit or debit card and want to use your EBT card, you can type in your name and the card number and add it to the Amazon account during checkout. If this isn't an option that you want to use, you can go to www.amazon.com/snap and enter your SNAP EBT card there. CalFresh is accepted in regions of California, and you don't actually need a Prime membership to use your SNAP benefits with Amazon Fresh. But it's important to note that you do need to meet the minimum amount for free shipping. That's $35 in San Diego County. EBT cannot be used for shipping costs.
Thank you for watching. If you have questions or want more information about Amazon Fresh, check out their website at www.fresh.amazon.com. Links for the website, customer service, and how to reach us if you have questions about this training can be found in the description below this YouTube video. We hope you enjoy your food and stay well, San Diego.